1, 2, 3. When the world seems drained of its wonder, shades of grey, it's the same all over the sphere. Give me your shoulder, lonely shoulder.
I've been spending a bit of time in the library recently, trying to write some stuff, and I was speaking on the phone to James, and we were trying to come up with band names, and I was wandering through the local history bit, and obviously all the books were about the Beatles, and then James was saying we need a band name, so I said, well, what about the Beatles backwards, or an anagram of the Beatles? And then we were on the phone going Seatbelts, and then that
it was
how that came about.
1,
so yeah.
2, 3. I'm coming round just now. My head was up in the clouds. It didn't feel like coming down.
We just had so much material, and we were in a position where we couldn't release anything or do anything, and we just wanted to keep making stuff and recording stuff. So we had to I don't know. When you've got so many songs in the bank, you just want to get them out there. So making another thing, and we were gonna just put them out ourselves and try and.
And I guess the songs had different instrumentation from Hooton Tennis Club songs. So, not that different. It's not that different, but I guess for an indie band to introduce other elements feels like a big step when you're in a comfort zone with a certain thing.
Someone who's perhaps a loner and needs that time alone to get a perspective on what's happening all around them, if they're maybe an exhibitionist or in the full expression of life and city life perhaps.
Yeah.
See, I thought he was a part of it, and he's at the top of his game. Wearing a suit, he's
top of the food chain.
He's top of the food chain. That's the way I thought it was.
He's the human tiger.
The human tiger.
So is the tiger running away from capitalism, or is the tiger capitalism?
You can't run away from capitalism. He just is. He is.
Right.
I'll read Vonnegut some more. Only person who knows the score. I'll read Vonnegut some more. Only person who knows the score. I'll read Vonnegut some more. Only person who knows the score. I'll read Vonnegut some more. Only person who knows the score.
It's nice and accurate.
Yeah, swap.